It's so dark right here. I like how I can like videotape me and then there's like a toilet in the background. I'll move. So we are just getting ready. Gosh, I look like crazy on the video camera. I think I look good and then I don't. Anyway.
Oh, you do. You look beautiful.
We're gonna go get some breakfast and then we're going to go shopping. I don't even know why I give updates because you just see it anyway. This is the Croque Madame and it has a thank you. It has a special sauce. It has like seeds in it. And then she got the yummy French toast that she's in love with. Speak for you. That is way cool.
Pennies from heaven.
Pennies for days.
Oh my gosh.
That is super cool. I like it.
I wonder how
I like
much
that
it
light
is.
too.
I want to feel the money.
Cool. You know, I got the light too. And that light's cool.
What is that?
Let's go see.
Oh,
We'll go exploring. I thought it was wine.
It looks like wine.
Oh.
I thought it was rolling pins.
They're spray painted.
That's why I thought it was rolling pins.
That's cool.
Just
How do you
decoration?
get it? I don't know. That light's cool too. Did you see that one?
Oh my gosh.
It has like paper.
Oh, right here. What the heck?
What do you do? Is it full?
No.
It's empty?
Yeah, it feels empty.
So it looks like they're getting them and saving them and spray painting them? Or?
Maybe it's just Christmas decoration right now with the gold.
Oh, this has like the intricate artwork too. I don't know. It's like part of it's like still the older original and then they've updated part of it, you know? Like,
Oh wait, this is where I need to go.
yeah, just exit on here. It says keep left.
Keep left.
Toward I-15 north for Ogden.
Do I need to be left?
Just keep left. I think you're fine. This is an exit only. You're in the Ogden.
Okay.
We're good. That is creepy though, looking all that black.
Gosh, that is scary.
It is.
Okay, miles per hour.
37 miles per hour. This is what we just got ourselves into. This is our storm of the day.
32. Oh my gosh, it just dropped 20 degrees. When we left Salt Lake,
It was 50.
It was 52.
I can feel it getting cold on my legs.
32 right now.
It's crazy.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe it was 20 degrees difference. That's huge in a matter of 10 miles. How far have we gone?
Yeah, it's not been that far. So it's
South Austin?
Is it the 322? No. No, I don't see it yet. I don't see Lagoon yet.
It's hard to look at that. It's just so slow. That's not like splashing through.
I know.
I need to move over. Or is it both lanes?
I think it's both lanes.
This person's...
Oh! That is so bad. I think you're good. I know.
324, right?
Yep. This is gonna be the exit.
Like,
Is it?
I think so. Oh
That
my
was
gosh.
crazy lightning.
I think I did.
I want
see
to get it.
orange. That was.
Did you just get the alert? Is that what you
I don't know. I think so, because I can just see a little orange.
Holy crap. Have to meet halfway.
Yeah.
Stay at the hotel.
Because they finally got one. I told them, you guys can't have this beautiful shopping area and not a hotel to stay in. Look at it. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of shoppers already.
Holy crap. That's like a really nice one. We stayed in.
This is it. Like the dream of us is sleeping at a mall. Oh my gosh.
I think
What
it
more
might
could a girl
happen.
want?
I literally love the Hyatt place. We stayed, me and Luke stayed on in Lehigh.
One.
Oh, they're so nice.
I've got to change that.
Today's the day.
Yeah.
These are all of our
Maybe
stores.
It's not so crowded. Maybe it's just the parking lot looks so
Hopefully
white.
nobody will come, and then we can have it to ourselves.
Maybe they're waiting for the Saturday. Watch out, person. Sliding all over. Maybe they're waiting for the Saturday stuff it bag.
Oh, that's like Ulta. Oh my gosh, we'd be here for that.
Oh my gosh.
We would be here for the.
Oh my gosh.
Gordman's, not Ulta. It's our Gordman store. The stuff the bag for.
Yeah.
Do you know we could find the most expensive stuff? So it is storming so bad still. So we went to go get something to eat. My favorite. And got a drink, and we are in Gordman's currently. If you'd like to see what I'm getting. All this clearance. Like $3 for that. Has like little diamonds. Flower container I need. Super good smelling candles. I don't know what the elephant's for, but I like it. And this is only $5. So we're doing good. And depending on the weather, my brother keeps checking the app for the canyon. And so far, we're thinking that we might end up having to stay down here, which is totally fine because we're shopping our lives away. We might fill up the entire truck of stuff, but it'll be worth it. Hello. So I'm like freezing. My nose is red. But we're finally home. It's 7 o'clock, and I just got here, and Adam's bringing Jackson, and then Paula's bringing me Bentley in a minute. And yeah, we were going to stay the night, but it cleared up, and we decided to come back. And, oh gosh, my hair. I'm so glad that we did, but I have to show you, like, seriously, being stuck in bad weather and then having all this shopping was, like, a bad idea, because look. So, I got this huge bed for Bentley, a ton of shampoo and conditioner. It's, like, my favorite kind. I should probably do a haul, but I'm not going to. Like, all this stuff from Gordman's. In fact, maybe I will do a haul. I'll just do a haul, because we got so much freaking crap for so cheap. Like, I cannot believe it. So, Merry Christmas to me. But, yeah, our little adventure's done. So, we're home, and it feels so good to be home. And, yeah, the drive went pretty fast. It went pretty good. And we had a really, really fun time. So, yeah, I'll see you for my next video. Bye.